Hey guys, welcome to the first video of our Move Dev series. In this video, we'll explore why the Move language is so important, what makes it different from Solidity, and where it's being used today, like on chains like Aptos and Sui. So, if Solidity gave birth to DeFi, Move might be the language that powers the next evolution of Web3s. It is secure, efficient, and resource based. Why Move exists? Solidity is great for building smart contract, but has well-known pain points like redundancy attacks, DAO hacks, integer overflows well before Solidity 0.8, lack of native resources, ownership models. Move was designed with security and correctness at its foundation, not as an afterthought. Move was built by Facebook Libra team to solve this issue. When the Diamond project ended, the Move language survived and became the core of Aptos and Sui, both started by former Meta engineers. So, what started as an internal solution became a revolutionary approach to smart contract development. Moving ahead, resources. Move secret weapon. Move introduced a first class concept called resources. Think of resources as a unique, non copyable digital assets like tokens, NFTs, or credentials. In Solidity, you can accidentally copy or lose stock tokens if the logic is wrong. In Move, the compiler enforces ownership rules. You can't copy a resource, get deleted unless the modules allow it. You must move it explicitly, hence the name Move. Uh, s- for an example, in Solidity, you can have two variables both pointing to the same token balance accidentally. In Move, the compiler would stop you from even writing that work. That makes Move memory safe and asset safe by design, perfect for financial logic. So, where Move runs? Move isn't a blockchain itself. It's a smart contract language. Currently, it powers two major ecosystems, the Aptos ecosystem and the Sui ecosystem. You can find their docs on their websites. Aptos is focused on scalability and safety, uses block STM parallel execution, which is for faster transaction processing. We have a Move version for this, Aptos Move. It is great for DeFi infrastructure and agent-based system. We even have a Move agent kit separately for Aptos ecosystem. And Sui is focused on object-oriented centric design. Everything in Sui is an object and ownership is explicit. We have a Move version, Sui Move. It is great for gaming, NFTs, and real-time apps. Both these ecosystems share the same Move concept, but differ in how they handle execution and storage. Why it matters for Web3? So, Move brings type safety and resource safety. That means lesser hacks, deterministic behavior is equal to predictable execution, and parallelism on Aptos and object model on Sui, so that we can create scalable DApps. We get a cleaner developer experience for complex logic to build DeFi agents, on-chain automations. In short, we can say that Move makes smart contracts safer, faster, and more expressive, ideal for the next generation of Web3 protocols. In the next video, we will get an hands-on experience on how to set up Move CLI. We will write a first Move module and we will deploy it Sui and Aptos testnet separately, so that you can get idea of both. I'll drop the link of the Move book in the description and Aptos and Sui documentation also. Thank you so much. Let's meet in another next video.